What our partners who are doing disaster management here need is a large map of their whole area so that they can identify where the rubble is still and which buildings are disaster prone still and which buildings are completely damaged and they haven't even done anything yet with it.
Pix4D Mapper software enables anybody to become a mapper. The DJI Phantom and the Pix4D Mapper software combination are that easy that even in such a difficult environment as here, students could start mapping immediately and helping their local communities.
The Capture app is a mission planning app. It tells the drone where to go and when to take pictures so that we can use them for 3D reconstruction in Pix4D Mapper. Planning a flight is really easy. You just use the grid to select the area you want to map. You set the altitude and the app takes care of the rest. Once the mission is planned and you are connected to the drone, you just have to hit start and the drone starts the mission automatically. After the flight, you transfer the images to your desktop for processing.
Pix4D Mapper takes images and creates professional maps and models for a variety of industries. You start with our automatic processing, and you'll get a quality report that shows all the data and what type of accuracy you can expect from your project. How it works is the software will match thousands of points from the images you've collected, and it creates a 3D point cloud that represents the real surfaces of an area. These original images are then projected onto the surface and mosaicked, creating a 2D map, or what we call an orthomosaic. Because it's high resolution, it's really valuable data. You can see streets, schools, damaged structures, as you would from an aerial perspective, but you don't have the distortion. Elevation is computed as well, so distances, slopes, volumes, they can all be calculated in the software. The data we have here really contains invaluable, up-to-date information that can be used for risk, damage assessment, reconstruction, emergency planning. Really, the possibilities are endless.
We're incredibly fortunate that Pix4D, which is obviously recognized as one, if not the leading software platforms for aerial imagery analysis, has been so engaged with us here in Nepal and has, like DJI, donated their platforms to the university and to Kathmandu Living Labs as well, which gives our students there and our local partners direct access to the most sophisticated software platform out there. When the next disaster happens, there are going to be a crack team of humanitarian UAV experts here from the local communities with their Phantoms, armed with the Pix4D software, who are going to be the first to pull their neighbors out from the rubble. They're going to be the first now, thanks to our collaboration, to send up those Phantoms in the sky and to get that very first imagery within minutes or hours of a disaster. And that's what we want.